What's up guys? Today I would like to talk about CCA, the cold cranking amps for your motorcycle. Okay, so the battery I have right now has CCA rate of 270. Harley-Davidson suggests that you have CCA rate higher than 310. I have this new battery here, genuine Harley-Davidson battery, and it's 315, so it's much higher. Now this battery is on my bike for a few years and I haven't had any problem with it. It's a good battery. But now, after 3 years, the cranking is starting to get pretty weak. Let's start it up, let's fire it up and see how it is. Okay, so with the key on. Like that. So, like that. Obviously the cranking is kind of weak, so it's time for me to change the battery. Now this is fully charged. Even so, the cranking is that weak. And right now it's in December, so the temperature is like 10 Celsius, something like 50 degrees. So it is not a very good condition for your battery. But now it's obviously time to change the battery. Okay, so let's disconnect the negative end first. Okay, and then pull off the fuse, the main fuse, the maxi fuse here. Okay, so the positive end is now disconnected, so the battery is now ready to be taken off the bike. Okay, so let's install the new battery. The procedure is quite opposite of the disconnection of the battery. So for those who live in the cold areas, make sure that you have the CCA value higher than 310. Alright, so all the wires are now back in place, so let's go for a test ride. Okay, so it's a cold start, it's icy cold. Okay, now let's start it up and see how it is. Good, very good start. Good, very good start. So, for those who live in the cold areas, just double check your CCA rate, higher the better. Anyway, thanks for watching and see you again soon.